Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about Xcur and StormX. So Xcur, currently we're gonna look at technical analysis. So I bought my Xcur at this range. We pumped and didn't sell. We went down, and then it was as soon as I started to do technical analysis, we were here, and then I sold my Xcure when we were dipping because it failed to meet to actually cross over this line. So far the chart seems bearish. It's not like bullish. So here's what we're gonna do. So for me, I'm waiting for this crossover to the line, as well as I'm waiting for the chart to actually pass this resistance. Um, but if it dips towards this red line, which is a major support, it seems like every time when it touches 5, people are buying it back. So at this level, it's usually like the support for this token. So that's where people think it's actually cheap. So if people actually stop thinking it's cheap and it dips, we're in trouble. But I sold all my XCure at this level. So I'm planning to buy back in, but I'm waiting for an alert. If we're going to cross over, I'll wait for the second candle for our chart, or by the following day. I'll use a daily chart. But the daily chart here, it's too short, doesn't have so much information. So yeah, I'll be waiting for the crossover. So far we can see that the candles, this seemed like a change in the direction, but like this candle wasn't convincing. The volume wasn't there, so we're still waiting for the, if it doesn't touch, we'll still have to wait. But the best time to actually buy in back into this token, I'll let you know when. But you can buy in now and play with the charts, and then move, sell, play, because it's gonna consolidate. It's not gonna move as much, because what moves the coin is actually news. Because if there are no news, big news coming soon, then we won't have major moves. So if you bought Xcure, I think currently, if you didn't sell here, or you're planning on buying XQ, don't buy it at the moment. Wait for these resistance, because what's happening right now, it's a bearish movement, because it's like the sentiment changed at 10. It fell, tried to bounce back, but it failed. It bounced, so the highs are getting lower, and the lows are getting lower. So like it's not a good time to actually buy into the token. But let's look at what's coming. So the best time, if you wanna like get into the token quick and just in and out, I would say the best time to buy is within um end of May. As I'll explain why end of May, or beginning of June, because on June, there are three major things that are going to happen. We're gonna have a Bitcoin.com listing. I don't know how big the exchange is, but it's in the top 25. But that might have, because we have three news happening on the same day, that might make it more bullish and interesting. And the other thing is they also have exchange. Exchange is their own blockchain that they control, so that people can be able to mint NFTs on the platform. And the other one is the NFT marketplace launch, and then you can buy this token beginning of June, depending on technical analysis. If you don't want to follow technical analysis, I would say buy this token end of um, early June, depending on the market sentiment. if people are still bullish, then you can buy it and then sell on this day. It's very important. That's how you build your position early. You buy and then you sell the news. So when the news come, you sell the token or you take profits and then buy back in for these news. And then after that, then we'll see what's gonna happen with the project, and you'll have a clear understanding if the project is actually going to be successful by then, or is it a fail, or or do they have any other partnerships that are coming through, big news, and then you can keep on doing the same thing. And the other thing is, let's go to StormX. So I bought this token like 3 days ago. So I bought it at 0.5. Based on technical analysis, this I didn't know what. Okay, let me explain why I bought it at 0.5 and not when it dipped. So, for example, this was the previous like support, resistance, actually, yeah, support. So I knew in order for this token to be bullish, it had to pass the previous support that it actually established a long time ago. So the moment it did that, I was waiting for confirmation, and then I got in at 5, and then we went up. We consolidated at 5. So now I'm very sure that this is the support now, and then we pumped up. So currently we're building support again, because this was the previous resistance. So we're looking at that. Okay, now it's gonna resist here, but if it dips below, then we are in trouble. Then it's not bullish. The trend is not bullish. So we'll have to sell if it dips below this. Then I know it's not bullish. It was a false. Yeah, it didn't work. It didn't work according to plan. So what I'm waiting for now is consolidation and then bounce back to this level. This is the second resistance, and then consolidate. And if it dips below, then we sell, because now the trend has changed. The market sentiment has changed. And then also here, from here, we're waiting for it to bounce back until it passes these resistance. So if you understand technical analysis, it's mostly based on market sentiment, if it's changing or not. You'll see it based on the reason why I'm not selling here, even if I see a red candle, it's because the candle is not bigger than the previous bull, the green candle. So it shows me that, oh, people are actually willing to buy it, even if it dips. Like, even if people are buying it, this is not, the sellers are not powerful enough to actually pull down the prices. So we're still bullish on this one. And I don't know what they have coming up. Let me check if they have any news, because I bought this token based on technical analysis. And also, okay, there's hype around the token. People have been talking about it so many times. So let's see what's happening. So end of the month, they actually have, so it's next month, it's not this time. So yeah, you can also trade these news when they come. Maybe we'll hold until these news. And once we have these news, we sell, just to take profits. And then once the news have happened, it's gonna dip below a bit, and then you buy in back. So that's how you play with the. If you want to trade in and out real quick, you can do that. So yeah, today I was going to. That's all I was gonna look at. Two coins that I actually speak about a lot, Xcur and Storm X. They mostly based on um they are based on e-commerce. If you want to know about these tokens, you can actually check my previous videos. I have spoken about them before, so you can actually check that out. And also, let me know if you guys want me to do a trading series where I grow an account, because in this bull run, everything is easy now. Like, I wanted to buy Dogecoin, even though I hate Dogecoin, because based on technical analysis, I was waiting for this to pump, but at that time I didn't have cash to buy it in, because I'm cash poor at the moment. Most of my money is in other tokens and stuff, so I didn't have Tether to buy anything, and I didn't want to pull out on any investment. And then I bought back in here because I saw it was consolidating. It's bullish. Now it's consolidating again. If you want to buy, you can buy in, but wait for the consolidating like here. And then you can buy in at the third candle, fourth candle, depending. If it dips below here, then it's not worth buying. But if it's here, then you can buy, and then the trend is going back up, because on the 8th of May, Elon Musk is going to talk about this token. So you know what's going to happen, but I'm not going to buy this token because even though I can make money out of this, I have all my cash, all my USD tokens now are sitting into other coins, but I would buy those based on technical analysis. The fundamentals are not there, so yeah, it's gonna be pumped. It's a meme coin. So and Elon Musk is actually pushing it. So that's how this token actually is growing. So yeah. And thank you for watching my video, and I wish you good luck on your trading.